In this demo, we will show a classic example of importing CSV file to our Excel application. There are some scenario where you could not directly add records to your database table. Maybe because of some validation and rules to follow before you can do that. In case you do not have any clue for steps to format your data, it would be better to directly enter it using the GUI or the graphical user interface for entering new records. Like in this example. Here, in our case, we would like to add new employees from the list supplied to us in CSV format. Normally you would read each record and enter it one by one in our Excel form. Using the existing GUI of the Excel application that you normally use to, we can automate this task by looping through the list from our CSV for entering the new employees. So here, I just downloaded the sample Excel application. Just check the link below to find the video of the author of the Excel application, on how he designed it, step by step. We have a simple data entry, just fill in the fields, and it will save it to the another sheet. The sheet becomes its database. Now let's take a look on how we could automate the data entry for the new employees using a CSV file. CSV file usually contains bulk of data or list of records. And from this list you are tasked to create employee records in one batch. Here is a sample of our CSV file. In the interest of time, we just limit it to 3 records only. Now let us get our steroid started, and show that it can read CSV and enter it to our Excel application. First, let us make a quick tour of the script. We actually let Excel reads the CSV file. We used a macro-enabled Excel file to import the CSV. And then we load the sample Excel file that will actually records the employee list. We then loop through the extracted CSV file and apply it on the scripts. So let us see it in action. That's wrap up our quick demo. Please check on other tutorials for more information. Since you made it this far, please thumbs up and like our video. Thank you and I hope you had a wonderful day. Good, bye.